So welcome to the YouTube channel Last Minute Preparation, and in this video we'll understand the shortcut tricks or the shortcut methods to find the characteristic equation for a 2x2 matrix and also for a 3x3 matrix, right? So let's get started.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो।
For a 2x2 matrix, let us find the characteristic equation using the general method. Okay, so how do you find the characteristic equation for any matrix? You take the determinant of m minus lambda into I and you equate this determinant to 0, then you'll get the characteristic equation, right? So if you putting this and this, so what we'll get? The determinant of 2 minus lambda 4, 5, 3 minus lambda is equal to 0, right? So 2 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda minus 4 into 5 equated to 0 will give me the characteristic equation. So further simplifying this, 6 minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square minus 20 is equal to 0, lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation, and we have found out this characteristic equation by using this formula or this method. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you a shortcut method where you can find the characteristic equation, where you can actually tell the characteristic equation by just looking into the matrix, right? So the shortcut method to find the characteristic equation for a 2x2 matrix is lambda square minus the trace of the matrix into lambda minus the determinant of the matrix, and this equated to 0 will give me the characteristic equation. So what is the trace of this matrix? So trace for any matrix is the sum of all the elements that are present in the diagonal. So here 2 and 3 are present in the diagonal, so adding these two elements, that is the sum of 2 and 3 is 5, right? So I'll write down 5 here, 5 into lambda minus the determinant. So the determinant of this matrix will be equal to 2 into 3 minus 4 into 5, that is equal to 6 minus 20, that is equal to minus 14, right? So the determinant is equal to minus 14. So now we have made a characteristic equation. So if you consider, if you compare a characteristic equation, this characteristic equation that is formed using the general method and this characteristic equation that is formed using the shortcut method, both are same. So just make a note of this. The characteristic equation for a 2x2 matrix will be lambda square minus the trace of the matrix into lambda minus the determinant of the matrix equated to 0. Okay, so this is the shortcut method. Instead of doing this big process, you can actually just see it and write it. Okay, so now let us find the characteristic equation for a 3x3 matrix. So let us take an example for a 3x3 matrix. So here is a 3x3 matrix, and the sample matrix M is given like this. In the characteristic equation that is found using the general method in the previous video, where I've clearly took this here matrix and I found out the characteristic equation using the general method. If you wanted to know how I found out the characteristic equation, I took the determinant of m minus lambda into I and I equated this determinant to 0. So then I got this characteristic equation, but I have a shortcut method to find this characteristic equation for a 3x3 matrix, and it is given as lambda cube minus the trace of this matrix times lambda square plus the summation of the minors of the diagonal into lambda minus the determinant of the matrix equated to 0, right? So now let us first find the trace of the matrix, that is this thing. So trace is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements, so that is 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, right? So lambda cube minus 12 lambda square plus the summation of the minors of the diagonal. So the minor for 6 will be equal to, that is 9 minus 1, 8. This the minor for this element 3 will be equal to 6 into 3 is 18. 18 minus 4 is 14, right? And the minor for this 3 will be equal to 6 into 3 is 18, and 18 minus 4 is equal to 14. So now I'll have to add this, that is the summation of all these minors, right? So 14 plus 14 is 28, and 28 plus 8 is 32, right? So 32 into lambda minus the determinant of this matrix M. So let us find the determinant. So the determinant is equal to, I'll write it here, 6 into 9 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 6 into minus 6 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 into 2 minus 6. So this is equal to 6 into 8 minus plus 2 into minus 4 plus 2 into 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So the determinant is equal to, for 8 into 6 is 48 minus 8 minus 8. So this is equal to 40 minus 8, right? So 40 minus 8 is 32. So minus 32 equal to 0. So we found out the characteristic equation using the shortcut method. So if you consider these two characteristic equations, this is found out using the general method, and this is found out using the shortcut method. So this is it for this video. I hope you understood how to find out the characteristic equations using the shortcut method. So if you didn't subscribe yet, so please consider subscribing if you like this content. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.